Hello everyone, how are we all doing? No, Matthew, it's sold out now. If you're on about this draw, then no. If we say the draw is guaranteed, it means that once the timer's up, you can't enter. Unfortunately, for you and me, really, because obviously, if you wanted to have a go, or anybody, they've missed out, and then for us, we've obviously lost out. But that's the way it works. At the end of the day, you win some, you lose some. At the end of the day, we win some, we lose some. Obviously, the bigger the prizes, the bigger the risk. I've got a couple of things which I could put on there, but I've got to admit I want at least 5-6 grand for them. And I don't think I'm at the point yet where people are willing to share the page, spread the word about. When there's little prizes, obviously you think you can sort of buy all the tickets yourself and win it. But the bigger the prize, I essentially need more people, because you're not going to buy. If there's 1,000 tickets, one person's not going to buy 800 tickets to cover our costs, are they? So anyway, I'm rambling on here like I always do. I'm going to go on time and date. You know what today's for? It's just a midweek draw. This is for 10 entries to the Dyson Supersonic, which we've sold 97. After today, it will be 107. We did say we'll go ahead with the draw at 125. For anybody watching this after, the reason why we can't go ahead with the draw, we obviously set a minimum on there, but we've got this competition, or contest we should say. It's a completely free giveaway. Now, all you gotta do is like and share the post, tag 3 friends, like the page. We'll check that everybody's done those 3 things before we do the draw. We might, if we've got time, ask you if you want to do one of them things. If not, we'll just have to delete the comment, because it's a contest at the end of the day, and we've got to make it fair. If the winner is under 18, obviously we'll need ID from this. So if the winner's under 18, we just redraw it again. I don't think there's any under 18s on there. But on here, we have 29 shares. Now, when this goes to 50 shares, there's 10 free entries here available. And all you got to do is comment, tag 3 friends, and you can do that as many times as you want. So if you've got 300 friends, you can leave 300 comments if you tag 3 different friends in it, and you'll have 300 entries into it. One thing I do need to say, everybody who's in this draw, right, if we have to go ahead with the main draw for the Dyson and we've not hit 50 shares, then technically this has failed. It's a way for us to try and spread the word about. As you can see, I'll get all the insights on it. It's hit 910 people, 169 engagements. It's literally had 29 shares. If you can get that up to 50 shares, I'll draw a winner out of this. If we lock in the draw for the Dyson and we go ahead with it, and this hasn't hit 50 shares, then this is just going to have to just be a thing of the past. We did originally say 150 shares. We've dropped it right down. I would have thought 50 would have been good. I mean, even if each of our winners does it once, I thought that would have gone there. But anyway, time and date, 4 minutes. Well, it's not 4 minutes past no more, is it? It is 6 minutes past 9. Wednesday, 17th of February 2021. Tonight, it's mini draw number 5 to win 10 entries into the Dyson main draw. There was 16 tickets sold out of the 30. It's fantastic odds. Now, obviously, it only takes 1 ticket. So if there's 29 sold and there's 1 available, that 1 could still come out. It's well worth it for a quid, considering it puts you in the running to win £300 hairdryer. We have 1, 2, 3. It's 3 people in this draw. So yeah, and there was 14 entries available. Not going to drag this out no longer now. I'm going to go on the random number generator. Is anybody watching who's able to comment? Or can give me some thumbs up, give me a clear, let me know you can hear it. I mean, I'm willing to wait. It's not a massive prize, but on this one, right, as you can see, that's just what automatically comes on Google. We had 30 tickets available. The highest one was number 29. Lowest one was obviously number 1. So if anybody can give me 2 numbers, you'd be a legend. Above 30. Anybody? I think I'm going to have to start these videos 10 minutes beforehand on these mini draws. Obviously, when it's a main prize, there's a lot more people eager. If you get time, go on this. There's 3 entries available. Okay, I don't know if I'm going to get anybody who's going to comment, or if anybody's going to let me know that they can hear me. If anybody can help me, how do I let people know that I've gone live? A lot of people say to me, I don't know when you're live. Now, we make announcements, obviously, but I understand you're not going to follow the page 24/7. I think the best way when you watch a video is to hit that notification bell, or go on our page somewhere and it should say be notified when this page has gone live. There we go, we've got a thumbs up from Callum. Cheers, Callum. Can you do me a favour? Can you give me 2 numbers above 30? Well, with the, let's just say, like the lowest, it's got to be above 30. I don't think 30 is available, was it? With the highest, just so I can put them in here, if you can see. Nice, I'll have 36. Have you got another one for me? Don't say 37. Go on, I'll have 49 then. There you go, it gives us number 49, and it gives us number 48, number 40, 48 again, 40, 42, 41, and 40. As you can see, it's just to show everybody as well. 100 to 5,000. There you go. Constantly in between. And now the suspense is killing you on this one, so shall I just zero it off here into the draw? In fact, you're actually in the draw, Callum, I've just noticed. Yeah. Good luck. I think you're the only one watching, so it'd be nice to have a winner watching, but it's whatever the ticket is. What will be, will be. So, zero that off. Look, click, 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 click. Do it many times as I want. It's not going to give me anything. Now in this one, the lowest available was number 1. Highest available was number 30. I'm going to run the lot just for the sake of it. Because if which one was it? Let's just say if number 5 comes out, I can go, ha 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 ha, you should have bought that one to everybody. Actually, you know what, we should do this. We should do Wee Winnie, you know. Because I still own that ticket. No, you know we don't do that, so... Right, let's go. Let's just do this. You know, listen to me all night. Number 10, Mark Wheeler. There you go. Sorry, Callum. Thanks for playing, mate. You got to be in it to win it, and it was the only way you was gonna is by trying. Now we're probably gonna run another one of these. One more. Ideally, personally, I'd like 30 different people putting £1 each on it. But as a business, you got to sell it. Believe it or not, actually, we do have a 10 ticket limit on this. And if I just count this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, Mark had maxed out. There's a chance he'd have bought more than that. But yeah, there is a 10 ticket limit. I've always said when we get big enough, I'd rather have a 300 ticket competition with 2 tickets each. That'd be, you know what I mean? I would never sort of allow somebody to buy X amount of the tickets. But that's the way it works. Thanks everybody for joining me on this journey. I never planned for it to be like it is. And it's getting bigger and bigger as the months go by. Luckily, I registered it as a proper company when I started. So I'm ready and set to go. I just need your help. But cheers everybody. Fireprizes.co.uk. I will see you all possibly Friday, if not Monday. Those who know me know I'm a single dad. I look after my lad. And he's off school this week, so we're chilling. Okay? Fireprizes.co.uk. Gotta be in it to win it. Thanks everybody. Ta-ra, ta-ra.